Right now, all that we can say is slash n comes in handy when we want to format the output properly on separate lines. So slash n is useful when we want to format output. That means we want to go to next line, then slash n is handy, or it is useful. Printf cannot only print values of variables, it can also print the result of an expression. An expression is nothing but a valid combination of constants, variable and operators. So printf cannot only print values of variables. So we know that printf is printing value of variable or value of integers, etc. So it is not like only it will print value of variables, it can also print the result of an expression. An expression is nothing but a valid combination of statements, variables and operators. So when we print an expression, so it is a valid combination of constants, variables and operators. So we can say like that first some words, so it will be combination of words also, then integers also, and constants also, so and variables also. So it is not like that printf function is only printing variables, it is also printing other things and combination of other things also. Thus 3 comma 3 plus 2 c and a plus b star c minus d are all valid expressions. The result of these expressions, so these are basically expressions. So 3, then 3 plus 2 comma c, so this is a plus b into c minus d, is it's a expression. All these valid expressions, the result of these expressions can be printed as shown below. Printf uh, in inverted commas percent d, percent d, percent d. So percent d is for integers. So 3 is an integer, 3 plus 2 is an integer, then c is an integer, a plus b star c minus d is an integer. Note that 3 and c are also represent valid expressions. Now compilation and execution. Compilation and execution. Once you have written the program, you need to type it and instruct the machine to execute it. So once you have written the program, so we write program and you need to type it and instruct the machine to execute it. So we are instructing machine also to execute it. For that, to type your C program, you need another software called editor. So we write C program and then we turn it into hex file. So for turning this program into hex file, we need a compiler. So once you have written the program, you need to type it and instruct the machine to execute it. So we are instructing machine to execute it by compilation. Now to type C program, you need another software called editor. So for typing C program, we need another software called editor. So it is used for typing program. Once program has been typed, it need to be converted to machine language, zeros and ones, before machine can execute it. Once program has been typed, so that means program is now typed and it needs to be converted into machine language, that is zeros and ones, that is hex code, before machine can execute it. So before machine can execute it, we have to convert this code into zeros and ones. So for that matter, compiler is used. To carry out this conversion, we need another program called compiler. Compiler vendors provide an integrated development environment IDE, which consists of an editor as well as compiler. So compiler vendor, that means there is an IDE called integrated development environment. For example, the for microcontroller 8051, there is an IDE called Kill, Mu Vision Kill. So we need an IDE. So IDE has all of these things called as compiler, then it has compiler, then for typing that program, editor it has, then for run that program it has another software. So IDE, that is integrated development environment, consists of all these things.